The universe is under no obligation to make sense to you. The good thing about science is that it's true whether or not you believe in it. Not only do we live among the stars live within us. Knowing how to think empowers you far beyond those who know only what to think. Follow the evidence wherever it leads, and question everything. Science reveals that all life on Earth is one. There is no greater education than one that is self-driven. As areas of knowledge grow, so too do the perimeters of ignorance. Pretending to know everything closes the door to finding out what's really there. When you are a hammer, all of your problems will look like nails to you. In life and in the universe, it's always best to keep looking up. We are all connected, to each other, biologically, to the Earth, chemically, to the rest of the universe atomically. Math is the language of the universe, so the more equations you know, the more you can converse with the cosmos. There's as many atoms in a single molecule of your DNA as there are stars in the typical galaxy. We are, each of us, a little universe. For me, I am driven by two main philosophies: know more today about the world than I knew yesterday, and lessen the suffering of others. You'd be surprised how far that gets you. When students cheat on exams, it's because our school system values grades more than students value learning. We spend the first year of a child's life teaching it to walk and talk and the rest of its life to shut up and sit down. There's something wrong there. Curious that we spend more time congratulating people who have succeeded than encouraging people who have not. We are part of this universe, we are in this universe, but perhaps more important than both of those facts is that the universe is in us. If you're scientifically literate, the world looks very different to you, and that understanding empowers you. I think of space not as the final frontier, but as the next frontier. Not as something to be conquered but to be explored. To learn more about science, turn off your electronic device and go outside, and look around a bit. Nature is calling you. Go on. The internet will still be here. Dinosaurs are extinct today because they lacked opposable thumbs and the brain power to build a space program. The remarkable feature of physical laws is that they apply everywhere, whether or not you choose to believe in them. After the laws of physics, everything else is opinion. Ignorance is a virus. Once it starts spreading, it can only be cured by reason. For the sake of humanity, we must be that cure. If your belief system is not founded in an objective reality, you should not be making decisions that affect other people. I dream of a world where the truth is what shapes people's politics, rather than politics shaping what people think is true. If we have the power to turn another planet into Earth, then we have the power to turn Earth back into Earth. One thing in life is for certain: the more profoundly baffled you have been in your life, the more open your mind becomes to new ideas. The day we stop exploring is the day we commit ourselves to live in a stagnant world, devoid of curiosity, empty of dreams. Relativity, gravity, quantum, electrodynamics, evolution, each of these theories is true, whether or not you believe in them. Aliens might be surprised to learn that in a cosmos with limitless starlight, humans kill for energy sources buried in the sand. When we try to look farther into the universe, we come to what appears to be the end of space, but actually is the beginning of time. Our five senses are faulty data-taking devices, and they need help.